Hey guys, Spencer from Buildapreneur here, and this is going to be a different type of video, okay? We are going to look at a blog that is actually bringing in $20,000 every single month. And the coolest thing about what we're going to look at here is the guy that's running the blog, he still has a full-time job, okay? This is just a side hustle for him, and he's built this blog up to $20,000 a month. So we're going to look at the products he's promoting, we're going to look at the ways that he's promoting them, we're going to look at the actual posts, we're going to look at everything that we can see to see how he built this blog that makes $20,000 a month, which is more than most people make at a regular job, and he's doing it on the side. And guys, that's the beauty of building a blog, is that you can do it on the side, and you can slowly build up authority with Google and slowly build up posts that start ranking and bringing in traffic. And it doesn't, it's not something that has to be immediate. You can do it on the side. It's the perfect side hustle, and just slowly make your way up until you have a powerhouse blog like this friend does. I'm gonna throw in a quick pitch, okay? We just launched the 21-day blogs challenge. If you want to start a blog anywhere during this video, click the link down below, start the challenge. It's less than $100, and it comes with coaching and everything you need to get a blog up and running. Okay, I'm allowed one pitch, right? So let's dive in and start talking about this. As you can see on the screen here, the blog is called smartbusinesstrends.com, okay? And the friend, his name is Chris Fong, and I'd love to know in the links down below, have you ended up at the site? Do you know Chris? I know a lot of people are familiar with him. He's a really good, cool dude. So the website is smartbusinesstrends.com, and what we're gonna be using is a tool called Ahrefs. So let me know if in the links if you're familiar with a tool called Ahrefs, okay? And Ahrefs lets us look at a website, and it lets us see everything, okay? We can see all the history of the website and where it's getting its traffic and what pages are crushing it, and where its links are coming from, and everything we need to see why a website is doing well. And that obviously helps us mimic that website. Okay, so we're gonna hop on the screen here, and you can see this is the Ahrefs overview of smartbusinesstrends.com, Chris's website. We're actually gonna go to organic search right now because there's a few things I want us to note. The first thing is when he started his blog. Look, you can see he started putting out content in 2015, okay, June of 2015. And if you look at that graph, it's kind of depressing in the beginning, right? So he's putting out content, It's now 2016. Hey, his blog's been up for a year. Looks like he's got a little bit of traffic going. Okay, getting a little better, up to 2,000 people a month maybe. Really working hard here, I imagine, and not seeing probably the results that one would hope or one would expect with a blog at this point. But I want you to look right here about January 2017. Look at what happens. I would imagine 1 or 2 posts blow up, okay? And then a few more, and then you can see those probably hold their ranking, and other posts start to blow up, and then he starts to develop this authority with Google. Google starts to like his website, and you can see it just shoots up from there until at his peak, he's bringing in roughly 30,000 visitors every single month to this website. And I would bet Ahrefs always seems a little low. I would bet it's almost double that. Okay, so the first lesson we gotta learn from Chris is do not give up. This is hard, it takes time. It takes a long time for Google to start developing trust and authority and being willing to put a new blog into the mix. Okay, the next thing we're gonna go look at is we're actually gonna look at his top pages, okay? Hopefully you're seeing how powerful Ahrefs is here. So we can go look at his top pages, and we can see where is all this traffic coming from, right? If he's getting 30,000 visitors every month, where is this coming from? And you see in Ahrefs, we can start looking here and getting a good idea. So his number one post is a review of a product called Legendary Marketer, okay? And that's a software product, and it's also got a bunch of other parts to it, courses and things like that. But anyway, a Legendary Marketer review, so a review of a product. And then you can see something kind of totally different, management quotes, okay? So kind of like a little random thing that people are probably searching, looking for quotes for managers. Now he's promoting a product called ClickFunnels. Builderall, there's another one that's kind of like a random young entrepreneurs, millionaires. You can see ClickFunnels again, ClickFunnels again. This is ClickFunnels, this is ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels. You guys use ClickFunnels? Legendary Marketer. So there's some small side products, and then you can see there's 2 products that kind of stand out. There's the Legendary Marketer product, he's got a bunch of posts that rank, and he's got ClickFunnels products where he's got a bunch of posts ranking. Okay, now I want to talk about these products he's promoting, okay, his big products, right, his core products. So every blog will have a few products that they really go in on, and then a bunch more that they kind of try on the side. And his 2 core products have something really interesting that I think we should all learn as we watch when we choose products for our blogs. So when you go to Legendary Marketer has, their affiliate program has dozens of products, okay? They have products that are free, They have products that cost $1.99. They have products that cost $30 a month, so monthly products that you can make money every month. They have high ticket products up to about $6,000. So they've got this wide variety of products, and they have an affiliate program policy where if you get somebody in the door, then typically you'll make commissions off of that person for anything else that Legendary Marketer sells them, okay? And guess what? ClickFunnels, the next product he's promoting really hard, is the exact same way. Okay, they've got dozens of products ranging from free to thousands of dollars. And if you can get someone in the door with one of those free products, you can make commissions both recurring on the software side and high ticket, depending on what the person you referred buys down the road, even years down the road. So let's look at why that's so important, okay? A lot of people start with the Amazon affiliate program, and that just hurts me because it's so hard to get enough people coming to your website to actually make some real money with the Amazon affiliate program. But I want to talk about how these particular products that Chris is using and exactly why we should choose products similar to that. My whiteboard is, my daughter drew all over it, and so I don't have access to it right now, but we're going to use this little handy paper right here. Okay, and you can see on the bottom, this is months. You can see 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, just going up from there, and then this is money, $100, $200, $300, that's how much money we make, okay? I feel so lame using this paper. Anyway, so what the power of promoting this kind of product does, okay, especially on a blog, is let's say you write something about Legendary Marketer, okay? Or let's say ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software, right? So now you make $100, you manage to get a few sales that month, you make $100, right? Well, the beauty of that is twofold, okay? The first one is ClickFunnels. They're gonna stay with ClickFunnels, so now you're gonna make another $100 next month off that same user, okay? So now you've kind of set this baseline of $100 a month. You can see across the bottom these dots off of that one user. But guess what? Next month, you now send them, you know, that same blog post that you wrote earlier about ClickFunnels sends you a little more traffic, and you get another person to sign up for ClickFunnels. So now you've got 2 people, right? And so now you've got 2 dots here, right? $200 every month, and those guys stay. And so you've got 2 people staying on ClickFunnels every month. And guess what? That same blog post is still around the 3rd month, right? Like when it's ranking, it tends to rank for quite a while. And so that one blog post, right, can make $100 for you this month. Next month it can make $200. The next month it can make $300, because not only is the blog post bringing in traffic passively after you create it, but you're promoting the right products that are not just one-time sales, okay? So an Amazon affiliate program, you get them in and within 24 hours, the cookie is gone. You now need to start selling them something again. You need to start over. And these products that Chris promotes, these software products and these recurring products and these companies that have tons of different products that they can sell to your users, they give you the ability to be able to make, to exponentially grow your income. Even if your blog's not getting more traffic, right? You could just have one post blow up, but every month your income will grow with that single post that blew up because of the programs that you're choosing to promote. So Chris has chosen awesome programs, and that's why he's built his blog up over a period of 5 years up to $20,000 a month. Because I know personally that some of these products that he's promoting, okay, some of these software products, he's just slowly built up over a few years up to thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars a month from people that are using those softwares. But now you're wondering, well, why did Chris do this? Okay, 16 management quotes. I don't understand how he's making money off that. So let's copy it here. Copy link address, and we're actually gonna pull it up in an incognito window. 16 management quotes. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on here on this blog, okay? Oh, I think we just figured out what's going on here. The second way that Chris is monetizing this blog, okay, is an audience. So he's got grow an audience of hungry fans that asks you to click on your affiliate links. Free course. You can see it pop up. Simple. And I would bet, can't guarantee it, he's getting between 5 and 10% of people that go to his website that see this and opt in. Okay? And then I can tell you right now from personal experience, if you look right here, Chris then begins to email you, and he starts to make money off sending you products, right? So he starts to email you about ClickFunnels, and he starts to email you about Legendary Marketer, right? And so these same products he's promoting in another blog post, he's promoting in email sequences, and he's bringing people into his email sequence via much easier to rank posts. Like I can imagine it's much easier to rank for management quotes than it is to rank for Legendary Marketer review. Now, lucky for Chris, at this point, he's ranking for both. But in the beginning, you can see May 20th, 2013, holy cow, Chris may have been the only guy, ranking for this, and this maybe has been his only source of traffic. but he was able to rank for it pretty quickly, right? It didn't take him a year probably to rank for it. And now he can drive leads and sell the same products that he wanted to sell on other parts of his blog through email to his audience. By the way, we teach you all of this in the 21-day blog challenge, so click that link down below. And now I want to talk about the second thing that he's doing really, really well, okay? And that's what's called interlinking, okay? So if you build, and I can tell you this from personal experience, if you build just one review or one article about a product or a theme or a category, right, that article is going to struggle to rank. And here's why. Google has built in what they call an authority check, basically. Basically, they want authoritative sites to rank. People that are like proven to be experts and that are authoritative in certain aspects. And if you just put out one random post about something, it doesn't tend to do great. But if you put out 10 posts, right? So in the case of ClickFunnels, we've got ClickFunnels on the screen here. We've got ClickFunnels Affiliate. We've got One Funnel Away, Actionetics, .com Secrets, Funnel Scripts. So all of these start to build up this kind of authority in the space of funnels and ClickFunnels, right? You start to build up this kind of expertise that Google starts to perceive you as some kind of expert. And then you can also interlink. So if you're familiar with blogging, interlinking is incredibly important. And you can start to build links throughout your website to your own pages and start to boost these pages and help Google understand this page is about this page is about this. And this page should rank for this. It's got 20 links, internal links from this blog, all talking about this. So he's done a very good job of kind of building these little hubs where he writes a ton of content around one single product, interlinks them all together, and then they all kind of help each other, and the whole ship kind of rises together as he starts to build up this authority in that particular category. And we're going to look at one more thing because I really think this is important for you guys to know. I'm going to click traffic here, okay, and it's going to sort it the opposite way. And what do we have here? We have got a ton of pages. Oh, I need to upgrade my Ahrefs. We've got tons of pages that are bringing in, if you look right here, less than 1 visitor a month, okay? We're gonna go all the way to 4. So hundreds of pages that are bringing in less than 1 visitor a month, okay? I mean, I don't even know how far I have to go for this. Oh, we're up to 2. So it took about 400 pages before I got to where we're getting, real numbers every month into these posts. Okay. And that's really, really important for you to understand, because guess what? No matter how good you are, no matter how powerful your blog is, you're gonna have some posts that just don't take off for whatever reason. They just aren't the ones that Google prefers. And you're gonna have some that just take off for whatever reason. And sometimes you won't even be able to understand why Google really loved that so much more than another one. But the key here is, for 6 years, Chris has consistently put out content, and now he's reaping the rewards, okay? $20,000 a month. He could completely disappear to Bermuda for 5, 6, 7 months, and his income would likely change very, very little, because his blog would drive leads. Those leads would buy recurring software products, and honestly, his income would probably go up throughout that 6 months. And that is the beauty of an affiliate marketing blog. You can see here, content, consistent content focused on things that actually can make money, and then a good monetization method is what you need to make a blog successful and to make a true passive income with a blog. Remember, if you want to start a blog, this is literally the best time right now. You can get coaching and training and step-by-step action steps from me and a 7-figure blogger to guide you along the entire path for the first 30 days. But if you're not interested in that, have a go at this video.